How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. For today I have this 2020 Mustang that is here for a full detail, and guys, I don't think this car has been washed in like months, so this car is practically getting a first wash in a long time. So guys, sit back, relax, enjoy the show, and let's start detailing. As you guys are watching the video, I will name all the products that I'm using in this detail, and all the product links will be in the description as well. So if you want to go check these products out for yourself, you can buy them, and these are my affiliate links, so you guys support the channel that way. And guys, if you are enjoying the video, give it a like as well and comment down below. Let me know what you think. This way YouTube realizes that this video is doing good, and all the support is very much appreciated. One tip that I would like to give over here is whenever you are detailing a car, make sure to wash the exhaust tips as well. You can use P&S brake buster, or you can use a degreaser. This gets exhaust tips clean because all the black soot that builds up. So whenever a customer picks up the car and you have cleaned the exhaust tips, this impresses the customer and they are super impressed by the work that you do. This Mustang was in for a full wash and wax, so in my wash and wax process I do include decontamination process using a clay mitt, and while I'm doing my contact wash here I use my clay mitt as well to make sure the paint is as smooth as possible, and when I lay the sealant down on the paint it bonds really well. So you guys can do these two steps in one step so that you save time and you get the best results. And just like that guys, detail was over and the customer was super happy. They were so impressed with the car. They left a very dirty Mustang and they picked up an almost new looking Mustang. So guys, thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate all the support that you show to the channel. Make sure to like the video and comment as well. And just like always, I will definitely see you on the next one.